Yes, good morning children. This is the second video of chapter 2. Okay, in the first video of this chapter, linear equations in one variable, we discussed what is meant by a linear equation and what is meant by a linear equation in one variable and in two variables. Okay, so for that application, here they have given an exercise, 2.1 exercise. In this 2.1 exercise, they asked us to find the value of these. That means solve the following. Totally they have given nearly 10 or 15 sums they have given. But alternate sums I will explain on the board. Remaining sums same model, you try yourself, otherwise we shall discuss again. Okay, the first sum they have given 6m is equal to 12. 6m is equal to 12. That means 6 into m is equal to 12. What we have to do here, we have to solve this equation, simple equation, and find the value of m. Okay. So before solving, we have to once again remember some symbols, how the symbols will be changed, and transposing the terms. Okay. So here 6 into m is equal to 12. 6m is nothing but 6 into m. Coming to solution, 6 into m is equal to 12. Now we have to find the m value. So to find out the m value, m only we have to keep on the left hand side. We have to take this 6 to that side, right side. 6 is multiplied here. If it goes to that side, it will divide 12 by 6. Into will become divided by. Okay. Suppose if it is plus, it will be changing into minus. If it is minus, it will change into plus. Here this side it is divided by, it will change to multiplication. So here we have multiplication, we change it to division. 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. Now m is equal to 2. M is equal to 2 is the solution of the given simple equation. We have to check whether it is true or false. How to check this one? Take m is equal to 2. What is the equation we have? 6m is equal to 12. And 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 6 2 is equal to 12. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the sum which we have done, we have solved is true. Okay. Please check the sum. Like this only we have to do. After completing the solution, with the help of that solution, we have to find out both left hand side and right hand side both are equal or not. Understand? So now coming to this one. Easily you can do this one. 14p is equal to minus 42. 14p is equal to minus 42. We have to find the value of p. So coming to solution. 14 into p is equal to minus 42. Now we have to find the value of p. 14 is multiplied here. If we take this term to that side, transposing this term to that side, automatically it will be changing into division. Minus 42 as it is. 14 1 ja, 14 3 ja. So this is equal to minus 3. That means p is equal to minus 3. Okay. So p value we got is minus 3. So now we have to check whether it is true or false. While checking, you have to substitute p is equal to minus 3 in the equation 14p is equal to minus 42. Take p is equal to minus 3 in 14p is equal to minus 42. Okay. 14p, 14 into minus 3 is equal to minus 42. 14 3 is 42 plus into minus minus. Minus 42 is equal to minus 42. It is nothing but LHS is equal to RHS. So it's true. Our solution is correct. Coming to next sum, fourth sum. Third sum you can do easily. Third sum with the help of 5 table you can do same in this model. Minus 2x is equal to minus 12. Minus 2 into x is equal to minus 12. Now x is equal to minus 12 divided by minus 2. Into will become divided by. Okay. So 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. Minus and minus will become cancelled. X is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 is the solution of a given linear equation or given simple equation. Now we shall go for check. Take x is equal to 6 in minus 2x is equal to minus 12. Minus 2 into, instead of x we have to take 6. Minus 2 into 6 is equal to minus 12. Minus 2 into 6 is equal to minus 12. This is equal to minus 12. So both sides LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So this is completely true. So first sum, second sum and third sum. Sorry, fourth sum. These three sums, you already seen the sums. Now pause the video and close the video and you have to do your own in the classwork. Understand? Without seeing. Any doubt is there, then you can see. But no need of seeing second time. If you want this, you can watch the video once again. After watching the video, you have to do your own. Please pause the video and note down. Now, the sixth sum I am giving you here, seventh sum and eighth sum. Okay, 6, 7, 8, these are three different models. So, this also we shall do it. Sixth one is n by 7 is equal to minus 3. N by 7 is equal to minus 3. So, n by 7, n divided by 7, coming to solution. N by 7 is equal to minus 3. This 7 is dividing this side. If it's sent to that side, it will become multiplication. N is equal to minus 3 into 7. N is equal to minus 3 into 7 means minus 21. N is equal to minus 21 is the solution for this equation. If you substitute n is equal to minus 21 in the given equation, n is equal to minus 21 is substituting n by 7 is equal to minus 3, then minus 21 by 7 is equal to minus 3. 7 1 ja 7 3 ja. So minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Means LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. LHS is equal to RHS. So what we have done is correct. For this we have to put the subheading check. For all the sums we have to check. Understand? Coming to seventh sum. Understood all of you this sum? Now we shall go for the next seventh sum. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. And 2 into x divided by 3 is equal to 18. So for this what to do? 2 into x by 3 is equal to 18. 2 into x is equal to 1 by 1 times we can transpose to that side. So 3 first divided by 3 goes to that side, it will become multiplication. 2 into x. Now we want the value of x. X is equal to 18 into 3 divided by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja. X is equal to 9 3 ja, 27. Okay. So x is equal to 27. This x is equal to 27. If you substitute in this, left hand side should be equal to right hand side. So for this we have to check. 2 into 27 by 3 is equal to 18. Now 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. This is equal to 18. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Understand? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So here we got the answer as LHS is equal to RHS. So what we have done is correct. Now coming to 3x plus 1 is equal to 16. Here also we have two operations are there. One is multiplication and addition. So multiplication will go to that side, it will become division. Addition will become subtraction. Okay. So for this solution we shall see. 3x means 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 16. 3 into x is equal to plus 1 goes to that side, it will become minus 1. Okay. So 3 into x is equal to 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. Now x is equal to 15 divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3 5s are. X is equal to 5. After simplification, x value we got, the solution we got is 5. This 5 is true or false? We shall check. X is equal to 5 if we substitute in the given equation 3x plus 1 is equal to 16. Means 3 into 5 plus 1 is equal to 16. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. That means 16 is equal to 16. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. So both sides it is equal. So the sum which we have done, the solution is correct. Understand? So please pause the video and note down these three sums also. After that, after completion of the video, all sums you have to do in the homework book without seeing the sums. Any doubts are there, then you can open the video and you can see. Understand? Please note down. Yes. Coming to 10th sum, 11th sum and 12th sum. 9th sum I did not explain. Why? Because 9th sum and 8th sum are same model. So that you can do, you can try yourself. Understand? So coming to 10th sum. If you understand the 10th sum, 9th sum automatically you can do easily because that is also in subtraction. So 10th sum solution. What is the 10th sum? 13 minus 6n is equal to 7. 13 minus 6n is equal to 7. From this we have to find the n value. That is the solution. So 13 minus 6n is equal to 7. So this is the negative symbol variable is there. This we can take to that side. That we can bring to this side. What will happen? 13 minus 7 is equal to 6n. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. 6 is equal to 6n. Okay. 6 is equal to 6n. Here you can remember one thing. At the same time, left hand can be bring to right hand side, right hand can be sent to left hand side. Both if you do at the same time, there will be no change in its value. Okay, that's right. 6n is equal to 6. For your convenience, I have written here. 6n is equal to 6. Now n is equal to 6n means 6 into n. So into divided by, if you change to divided by 6 by 6, 6 1 ja, 6 1 ja, n is equal to 1. Okay. For this n is equal to 1, we have to check. Take n is equal to 1 in the equation 13 minus 6n is equal to 7. 13 minus 6 into 1 is equal to 7. 13 minus 6 1 just 6 is equal to 7. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7, that is equal to 7. Both sides, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. So that is 10th sum. Now we shall go for the 11th sum. What is the 11th sum? 200y minus 51 is equal to 49. So for this solution, 200y minus 51 is equal to 49. Okay. So 200y you have to keep in the left hand side. 49 already there. Minus 51 if you bring to that side, it will be 5 plus 51. So 200y is equal to 49 plus 51 is equal to 100. Now y is equal to 100 divided by 200. 0 0 can be cancelled. You can get 1 by 2. Y is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So for this we have to check whether it is true or false. What is the y value we got? 1 by 2. We have to substitute in the equation 200y minus 51 is equal to 49. So 200 into y means 1 by 2 minus 51 is equal to 49. 200 into 1 by 2 means 2 1 ja, 200 ja. So 100 minus 51 is equal to 49. Means 100 minus 51 is nothing but 49. 49 is equal to 49. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So here also we can get the LHS is equal to RHS. Understand? So what we have done is correct. Next, coming to next sum. 11n plus 1 is equal to 1. This is also simple solution. This directly you can do easily, but I am going to explain. Okay. 11n plus n is equal to 1. 11n plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. So here plus 1 is there. If you take this plus 1 to that side, it will become minus 1. Means 11n is equal to 1. Already 1 is there. Plus 1 will become minus 1. 11n is equal to 0. Now n is equal to 0 by 11. 0 by anything is equal to 0. That means n is equal to 0 is the solution. Now we have to check. How to check? Substitute n is equal to 0 in 11n plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. 11 into 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 11 0 is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Means 1 is equal to 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it is true. For the given value, it is true. Okay. Please note down these three sums: 10th sum, 11th sum, and 12th sum. First try to understand and then note down. After noting down, you should be thorough with the sum. In the homework, you should not see the sums again. Without seeing, you have to do. That's why 2-3 times you have to watch the video. Watch the sums, how I have explained. Okay, please note down. Yes. Next sum. 13th sum. 13th sum 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. 14th sum 8x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. 15th sum 4x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 9. Here I am going to do 3 sums. The 13th sum. For this, how to solve this one? Just like 12th sum and 11th sum. 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. 7x is equal to 16, minus 9 will become plus 9. So now 7x is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. Now x is equal to 25 by 7. 7 is going to this side, it will become divided by. X is equal to 25 by 7. For this x is equal to 25 by 7, we have to substitute in the 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Means 7 into x is equal to 25 by 7 minus 9 is equal to 16. 7 and 7 can be cancelled. 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. Means 16 is equal to 16. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so we solved the 13th sum. Now we shall go for the 14th sum. This also. Here we have given a fraction. This fraction we have to take to that side. It is in addition symbol. We have to change it into subtraction symbol. So what is the question they have given? 8x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. 8x is equal to 13 minus 5 by 2. 8x is equal to 13 means you can take it as 13 by 1 and 5 by 2. These two are the two fractions. So those two fractions we have to solve. What is the LCM for 1 and 2? 2 is the LCM. 1 2 ja 2, 13 2 ja 26. 2 1 ja 2, 5 1 ja 5. 26 minus 5 by 2, it is nothing but 21 by 2. 8x is equal to 21 by 2. Now we have to find out x value. 21 by 2 into 1 by 8. Why? Because 8 into x. 8 if it goes to that side, it will divide. 21 by 2 divided by 8. That means 21 by 2 into 1 by 8. So it can be 21 1 ja 21. 8 2 ja 16. X is equal to 21 by 16. Okay. So for this we have to check whether it is true or false. X is equal to we got 21 by 6. This should be substitute in the 8x plus 5 by 6 is equal to 13. So 8x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. Okay. So 8x 8 into 21 by 6 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. 8 and 6 in 2 table 2 3 ja 2 4 ja. Okay. So this also we can do here. That we should see for the 15 sum. 4 into here the simplification 4 into 21 by 3. 21 by 3 means again 3 1 ja 3 7 ja. So 7 4 ja. Here we got 28 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. So here left hand side we got the fractions, two fractions. For these two we have to simplify them, find the LCM. 1 2 ja 2, 28 2 ja 56 plus 2 1 ja 2, 5 1 ja 5 is equal to 13. See a small mistake we have done. 21 by 16 we got. X is equal to 21 by 16 we have to substitute in this. Okay. So 8x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. X value we have to substitute 21 by 16 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. 8 1 ja 8 2 ja means 21 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. For these two fractions we have to take again LCM. 2 is the LCM. 2 1 ja 2, 21 1 ja 21. 2 1 ja 2, 5 1 ja 5. This is equal to 13. 21 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 26 by 2 is equal to 13. 2 1 ja 2, 13 ja. So LHS is equal to RHS. Both sides we got 13 as the answer. So it is true for the given value x is equal to 21 by 16. Okay. So one more sum is there. That also we shall complete. Please note down this one. Yes. The next sum 15 sum and 16 sum. Two sums are pending. Not one. Two sums are pending. Because while doing the 14 sum, we erased the 15 sum, we did not do it. So that also we shall do now. 15 sum 4x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 9. For this solution, 4x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 9. Okay. So 4x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 9. Its meaning is equal to 4x you can keep here, minus 5 by 3 you can take to that side. This is equal to 9 plus 5 by 3. Okay. 9 plus 5 by 3. Means 4x is equal to 9 means you can take 9 by 1. 1 and 3 you can take the LCM. 3 is the LCM. 1 3 ja 3 and 9 3 ja 27. 3 1 ja 3, 5 1 ja 5. 27 plus 5, it is nothing but 32 by 3. 4x is equal to 32 by 3. Okay, 4x is equal to 32 by 3. So now x is equal to, from this we have to find out x is equal to, already 33 by 3 is there, 4 is going to the right hand side, you can get 1 by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 8 ja. The answer is equal to 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is the answer. So 8 by 3 we have to substitute in the given equation to check whether it is true or false. Okay. So x is equal to 8 by 3. We have to substitute. Four x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 9. So 4 into 8 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is equal to 9. Okay. Understand? 4 into 8 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is equal to 9. Okay now? So 4 into 8 by 3, 4 8 is 32. So its meaning we can take 32 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is equal to 9. 32 minus 5 means you can take 27 by 3 is equal to 9. 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja. So both sides we got 9. LHS is equal to RHS. Understand? So that's why the sum is correct for the solution. 16 sum is there. This is x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 3 and 1 by 2. X plus 4 by 3 is equal to 3 and 1 by 2. Okay. So for this we have to take the solution. X plus 4 by 3 is equal to 3 and 1 by 2. 3 and 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. So this mixed fraction we have to convert it into normal common fraction. 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7 by 2. X is equal to 7 by 2 minus 4 by 3. Why? Because this 4 by 3 is transposing to that side. Okay. X is equal to, for 2 and 3 if you take the LCM, 6 is the LCM. 2 3 ja 6, 7 3 ja 21. 3 2 ja 6, 4 2 ja 8. 21 minus 8, that is equal to 21 minus 8. It is nothing but 11 minus 8 is equal to 3, means 13 by 6. X is equal to 13 by 6. So now we have to check. Substitute x is equal to 13 by 6 in the given equation. X plus 4 by 3 is equal to 3 and 1 by 2. That is nothing but 7 by 2. Okay. So x is equal to 13 by 6. 13 by 6 plus 4 by 3 is equal to 7 by 2. 6 and 3 you can take the LCM. 6 1 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6. So 6 1 ja 6, 13 1 ja 13 plus 3 2 ja 6, 4 2 ja 8 is equal to 7 by 2. 13 plus 8 is equal to how much? 21 by 6 is equal to 7 by 2. In 3 table 3 2 ja 3 7 ja. 7 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Understand? So both left hand side is equal to right hand side. Understood all of you? So this is 15th sum and this is 16th sum. Please pause the video and note down the sums, and after understanding only you have to note down the sums. Understand? Now after noting these sums, what you have to do is, I have explained you totally 16 sums. In between 1 or 2 sums only I left over. Okay, including those sums, total 16 sums you have to try your own in the homework book. Okay, these sums you have to copy in the classwork, and after that you have to do the sums in the homework. Understand? So in the homework book you have to write neatly after watching the video. These sums should be practiced. In the next video we shall go for the applications of these simple equations. Okay. So after that, second exercise and everything. Please note.